Okay, last video. So this video is to talk about what are called complex fractions. And a complex fraction is basically a fraction within a fraction. So you see I've written some examples up here at the top. We're not really going to do the simplification of any of these, but you see that they all have fractions inside of fractions. The one we're going to focus on is this problem right here. Now, the key to this, to doing complex fractions, is not to freak out. So a complex fraction is essentially a fraction with a fraction in it. So there's going to be a fraction with division. So I'm going to rewrite this complex fraction as a first step as a division expression. So I've got x minus 2 squared, which is x minus 2 times x minus 2, over that 2 times x squared minus 5x plus 4, divided by x squared minus 4 over 4x minus 10. And then this just proceeds like the last problem that we did when we were dividing. So I'm going to factor do the same switch. Now keep in mind 4x minus 10 has a common factor, and that's not 4, as I just started to write. It is 2. And then x squared minus 4 is a difference of 2 squares. So, by the way, x could not be, that's me pointing at that, x could not be 5 halves. Also could not be 4, or 1, or 2, or negative 2. And now I'm free to go ahead and simplify. So we have x minus 2's going away, we have 2's going away. And I believe that's it. So notice the thing on the top is quadratic when you multiply it out, so I would go ahead and multiply that out. Minus 5x minus 9x plus 10. But the thing on the bottom would be a cubic, so it is fine to leave that in factored form. So when you have a complex fraction, the way to work it is basically to rewrite it as a division problem and then proceed from there.